There's no handbook to what we're going through at the moment. Everybody's going through different things. It's a little like parenting. It doesn't come with an instruction booklet, and we're all trying to navigate our way around the challenges of lockdown. One of the challenges that I'm finding with many of my clients is the adjustment that they're needing to make to how they're working with their teams and working remotely. The problem lies in the fact that the change, the shift to needing to do something was fairly swift. So some organisations might have had one or two people working from home, and all of a sudden the whole workforce has had to shift. And in some instances, depending upon the industry, staff have needed to be furloughed or stood down, or whatever the term is in your geographical region of the world. Now, whilst we're all sitting here waiting for a new normal to come back to us and for the veil to be slowly lifted off our current state and we get back to some semblance of normality, one of the challenges facing larger organisations who've had to stand down or furlough staff is how to keep them engaged. The reason we need to keep them engaged is we've already invested the money in getting them up to speed with how we do things in our organisation. And the cost to recruit, retrain and get people to market when we come to pressing go is going to be slow. If you can mobilise your existing workforce that's been furloughed quickly and easily, then that means you're going to be able to get back to a new business normal. So my question to you is, what are you doing to ensure that even if staff are furloughed or stood down at this particular time, what are you doing to keep them engaged? Are you offering them opportunities to participate in online learning like Apple are doing with a lot of their staff with the Apple University? Are you giving them access to resources? Are you providing or using this as an opportunity to upskill your team and keep them engaged and connected? This is something that we can do so easily through remote technology like Zoom, Teams or Skype. If this is something that you're thinking about doing and you'd like some help, reach out. I'd love to be able to support you in any way I can. But in the meantime, what are you doing to keep your team and your organisation engaged in this strange time while we wait to press go and get back to what will be a new normal? Take care. I'm Donna Hanson.